Welcome to the second part of Kling AI Image-to-Video, Style, Motion Control, plus Effects. Avatar creation using still image to talking video. Creation of virtual model, then virtual try-on. You can swap video elements, you can add and delete. Let's begin with a quick recap. You can make videos using prompts. For 2.6 model, you'll have audio option. You can turn it off or leave it on. You can also use image to create video. Upload your image and type your prompt. If you want to use the end frame, change the video model to 2.5. Type your prompt. Click the inspiration and presets icon to help you with the camera motion. There's prompt dictionary. Here you can click one of these camera prompts with corresponding video samples. Options for video quality, video duration, and number of output. You can click DeepSeek AI to enhance your prompt. Click Select Voice. You have 4 options to choose from.
Mild this weekend with gentle breeze.
Please prepare your work reports and key data.
Local authorities remind residents.
The library has updated its book list this month. I have picked out a few interesting.
Click this to add new or your voice. Just upload 5 to 30 seconds audio-video file with a single person speaking clearly. And type the name. Kling AI is capable of motion control, swap, delete, and add elements. It also has latest upgrade, which is Kling O1. This is a standard prompt format. You have the subject, puppy and kitten, action, play. If you want to be more specific, you can add subject description like cute and fluffy. Another important part is the scene where the action happens. Maybe in the garden, in the kitchen, or at the beach. Lastly, the time when the action happens, in the morning or night. For complex and artistic prompting, here's the template. Main subject, action, expression, emotion, scene, the location, time of the day, visual, style, and so on and so forth. As you can see, we have sample prompts here from 1 sentence to multiple. I also included tips. You can use negative prompts to have better output. Example, cartoonish, distorted images, etc. For add-ons, this is for consistent character, use of image reference, and multi-element swap. Let's begin creating video by using prompt or text. You can type simple prompt and ask DeepSeek AI to do the rest. Set to professional or standard, 5 or 10 seconds, 9:16, 16:9 for social media, number of output. We have 3 options ready with different camera angles, actions, elements, and so on. Choose which one you think will have the best result. If you're not happy with the result, you can generate the other 2 options or edit the prompt. Now, let's generate video using image. Click Image-to-Video, then upload image from your file or from Kling AI generation history. The same way with the end frame. You can upload image from your file or from your generation history. Click, then confirm. Clear the old prompt. You can either ask DeepSeek AI to analyze and generate prompts, or you can type your own. Then ask DeepSeek to refine it. You have 3 options ready with different effects and actions. Choose the one that you think will give you the best result. So this is how it looks like for 2-frame video. For single frame video, just use the start frame, upload image from the file or history, type your prompt or ask DeepSeek to refine, then hit generate. This is the result of the single frame video. It comes with sound effects. You can replace or edit the sound or download the video without sound at all. If you want to extend a video, just click extend, then type the prompt, then generate. This is the extended video. From just merely touching the croissant to eating it. Let's try creating video by just using DeepSeek AI. Upload image, same thing with the end frame. Then click DeepSeek. Choose a prompt that is closer or better to what you have envisioned. Let's check this out. The transition of 2 frames are seamless. If you're not satisfied with the result, you can always edit or retry. Moving on to motion control. Add video of character action to mimic from your history or from the motion library presets. Choose from among these models. Let's check this. Martial arts. Let's take this one. Go to your history and add your character image. Set the quality, output, and maybe audio. Hit generate. The actions are truly identical. Up next is element feature. This will be replaced with Kling AI soon. I will make a separate video of this brand new multimodal supercharged creation tool. Also, the multi-element feature will be replaced soon with Kling AI. In the meantime, I'll walk you through these features while they're still available. You can upload images from file or from Kling history. Upload up to 4 images. Click auto for now. Type your prompt. You can ask DeepSeek to refine it. Choose the best prompts, or you can generate all the options if you want. All elements of 4 images are incorporated to one video, just like that. For multi-element feature, you can swap, add, and delete. Let's try swap. Upload the video to edit from file or Kling history. Click add selection. Then click the elements that you want to swap with. Watch the preview. The green colored element is ready for swapping. Let's upload the image of element to swap. Confirm. Let's go ahead, complete the prompt template. Type chicken and a plate of croissant and strawberries. Then generate. The cat is happy with the chicken. Smells good. This time we will add element. Upload video to edit from your file or Kling history. Then upload image of element to add from file, history, or stock library. Then add one more from history, a gray cat. Edit the prompt template, type chick, type cat, then hit generate. The bunny chick and the gray cat are now part of the video. Another example, upload the video to edit, add just one element, edit the prompt template. This is how it looks like. To delete elements in the video, upload the video to edit, add selection, click the element that you want to delete, edit the prompt template, replace with cat, hit generate. He is so happy. The cat is gone. Up next is avatar creation. Click avatar icon, build avatar, and lip sync. Just upload a video from file or Kling history. Upload audio for lip sync, then generate. Going back to build avatar, you can see guide icon. You'll find illustrations and instructions on how to create avatar. Click avatar library.
Setting my
You'll
base
find
with some fave loose powder.
preset avatars. Talking
I'm
head,
Marina.
working
Hi,
baby,
I'm your barista today.
podcast,
Hey, welcome back to City Beat FM.
vlog, and many more. You can also create image using AI, gender, age, skin tone, and describe the characteristics such as occupation, hairstyle, outfit, pose, etc. Click hints, customer service, vlog, makeup, podcast, etc. You can also upload image from your file or Kling AI history. Also, upload audio file instead. Then your prompt. Let's try. Upload image. Then type the script or what do you want your avatar to say. Pick voice from the selection.
Smells good. You should try this.
Then type prompt on how the avatar behaves or acts. Then generate.
Smells good. You should try this.
Let's try avatar library. Let's pick Marina.
I'm Marina.
Type the script, what you want her to say, then the avatar prompt. How would you like her to behave? Then generate.
Hi, hope you're enjoying your holiday. Welcome back to my channel.
Creating video using effects. Click effects. Choose from among these models. I choose freeze now. Upload image. Then generate. Let's create another one. Upload image. I choose crochet diary. Let's check it out. Music background is also included. Kling AI has sound effects generator as well. Text to audio and video to audio. You can type your prompt here and you can ask DeepSeek to refine your prompt or make use of the recommended sound effects. Let's type a prompt. Sound of a dog barking. Set video duration and output. Let's check it out. Let's try video to audio. Upload video. There's a ready-made prompt based on the uploaded video. You can also add background music. Flute playing. You can ask DeepSeek to refine. Let's click ASMR mode for immersive experience. Let's listen to the first one. Second. Third. And fourth. I prefer the third one. You can edit and retry. Download. Click Start to add to favorites. Click AI Virtual Try-On icon. Let's create first a virtual model. Choose gender, age, and skin tone. Type the description of your model. A young man wearing a pair of jeans and a red shirt walking at Manhattan streets. Set aspect ratio and output. Generate. Let's check it out. We have 4 model options. Now click AI Virtual Try-On. Upload single garment image. Select top. Select model. Then generate. From red to white t-shirt. For multiple garments, this time we'll choose first the model. Then upload image for the top. Then the image for the bottom. Then hit generate. So white t-shirt and black pair of pants. Publish your creation to Kling AI platform to earn credits. Click this to download. Click Start to add to your favorites. Here are other options. Generate video, expand, set as reference, edit, and so on and so forth. This helped you? Hit like, subscribe, and comment down below what AI tool you want to unbox next. Keep creating smarter with AI. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.